How to boost cash flow by finding oversized lots. An oversized lot is a large piece of land with minimal development on it. Think of a small home with large land. Oversized lots are a creative way to increase income on a property. An oversized lot can accommodate future growth like expanding the home or building an ADU. It can be used to create a backyard oasis, perhaps for Airbnb as well, or even by subdividing the land and selling off a portion. Let's see how we can find oversized lots in a few easy steps. Here I'm on Zillow. You can search your city. Right now I'm using Tampa, Florida. There are several filters that we want to consider at the top. First, looking for properties that are for sale. Second, selecting your criteria for your price. In my case, I'm looking at properties under 500K. Next, we want to look at properties that are single family homes. So here I'm selecting houses. And now these next filters are critical. First, we want to make sure there's no HOA fee. HOA stands for Homeowners Association. These usually come with regulations and rules that usually don't allow you to add units to a property. So here we're making sure we're removing HOA community homes. Next, key factors here are square footage and lot size. So we want to make sure we're finding properties that are smaller in relation to the lot size, the total size of the land. So here I am filtering on properties that are under 1,500 square foot and looking at 5 times that amount, those properties that have land that are over 7,500 square feet. Now you could toggle with this based on your particular area and what you deem to be the right ratio. But here I'm looking at a 5 times ratio. When I click apply, I will see the properties that meet my criteria on the right-hand side. Let's dive into one of these. Here we have a property. It's about $300,000 listed. It's 3 bed, 2 bath, 1,200 square feet. And if we go down, we can confirm the square footage. The lot size is about 10K. So almost 10 times the amount of the square footage of the home. We can also see in the description, they say this property is located on an oversized corner lot. So this is exactly what we want to hear. Let's see if we could look at any photos of the property itself. We see a view to the front of the home, and we see a mini view to the back. I would assume that this goes even further out, but there's nothing there, so they only probably took one single shot. But that's good. We want to find properties that aren't already developed towards the back so that we can maybe add an ADU, maybe make the backyard, revamp it with some landscaping and make it ready for Airbnb, or add some other structure. So this is an exact property that you would want to look for, small within an oversized lot without development in the backyard. Now, how do we actually analyze this deal? Coming to coffee closers, we can find the deal here and look at run the numbers to see if it will actually cash flow. Here we see the rent is about $2,200, and we see our asking price. Based on this criteria, assuming 20% down, we'd be losing on about $260 a month with negative 4.4 cash on cash return. So how do we make this a deal? Well, if we were to add, say, a unit in the back, we could increase our rent. Perhaps we can increase our rent by $500. This will bring our rent on a monthly basis to about $2,700. Our profit has now increased to $240, but can we take it even further? So if we start to lowball and see what is the right asking price, if we go, say, 6% below asking price, a little under 300K, we will actually see our monthly profit go increase above $300 and our cash on cash return beating maybe our metric that we want to have, which is 6%. Now, the best part about real estate is holding on to it and seeing how fruitful it is down the line. Down the line, we can increase rents. We could also see appreciation in the home. And maybe we could use other creative ways to use more of our lot. Check out Coffee Closers to run the numbers as you analyze deals that have oversized lots.